Hello everyone, you're on ATSA channel. Today I will tell you about Redmi. In this video you will learn how to use app lock on Redmi. Let's get started. Find security and tap on it. Scroll down, find app lock and tap on it. Choose app you need. Good. Now to open this app, you will need to enter a password. You can also open settings. You can turn on or off app lock. And also change any other settings. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to watch my other videos, subscribe to the channel and like it. Wish you best. Bye bye.